Hello. Today we're going to be talking about what is the most powerful question that you can ask your prospect to get them to speak more so that you can close more sales. My name is Caleb Lassar. I'm a sales trainer. I've been in this industry for 7 years. My clients have closed millions of dollars and made hundreds of thousands of commissions, and I would love to help you do the same. So what is this question? The idea of this question is called a utilization question. So utilization comes from the world of neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, for my friends that are familiar with coaching and that kind of thing. So a utilization question is really helpful if you're getting a prospect that is only using one-word answers with you. So you know that this person wants to buy from you, but they're really short, right? Maybe the rapport is feeling a little difficult. They're feeling a little tense to try and get along with. So one of the things that we can do that can really help maintain this frame of this consultant, which we talked about in the previous video, is to ask utilization questions. Now, a utilization question is going to get your prospect to continue talking about something that you want them to talk about. And I'll give you a couple of examples of what they are. So my favorite ones is a question called "Tell me more." Another one is "How so?" And a third one would be "Go on." So let's say, for example, you're talking to a prospect and you say, "What brought you to this call today? What was it that had you book in with us that you wanted to know more about how to sell more deals and make more commission in 2024? They would say something along the lines of, "I was just curious." They're giving you like a one-word answer. This is the perfect time to take the utilization and apply it and go, "Can you tell me more about what made you curious? Can you tell me more?" Hey, curious, you say. "How so?" Curious, "Go on." And so in order for this to be effective, you have to be okay keeping it really simple and keeping these questions really profound. And so the ability to handle silence within these sales conversations is really critical. So you need to practice not feeling the pressure of having to say something within the sales conversation in order to be really good at this. So what'll generally happen is they'll tell you a little bit more about what's going on. Now, this works on both sides, right? So let's say the person starts talking about something that they're really passionate and excited about as the reason why they booked in a call with you. And let's use the business opportunity space, or let's just use sales because it's the most accessible. If you're watching this, you probably understand it the most. So let's say, one of the things you said was, "Well, I wanted to double my commissions and I want to make more sales." So you've stated a kind of goal that you wanted, but we recognize as sales professionals that we need a little bit more. We need a little bit more juice to make this like really stick in the prospect's mind, or for us to get really clear. So what we can say is, "Can you tell me more about that? How would that affect you? What would life be like?" Right? So you can choose any one of these. "Tell me more." "How so?" "Go on." And so what this does, and I'll talk about this in another video with you, it'll probably be the one linked after this, is what actually is a sale. Well, a sale is the difference between where somebody is now and where they want to be, right? So it's that gap in between and that frustration that they're feeling. And we'll talk about this in depth in another video. It should be linked up here or down there. And so your job is to get really clear on those 2 points. But it can be really difficult if you don't have rapport with a client, or they're giving you single answers, or you feel like you've run out of questions, or you feel like you've run out of content. Remember these utilization questions. Tell me more. How so? Go on. This will absolutely blow up your sales results when used properly, when you have the ability to be silent when you need to be silent, and just let them talk. Let them give you the information. Let them talk to you about the core reason as to why they want to buy. I trust this was valuable. That video that I talked about what actually is a sale will be here, or over here somewhere. It's been a pleasure. We'll see you in the next video.